Make wellness, it's a new opportunity. If you are that person who's looking to work from anywhere, this is for you. If you haven't heard about Make Wellness, that company is currently in pre-launch. So what does that mean? They are launching a new product which is AI generated, plant-based, precision bioactive peptide. You guys, this is like nothing else on the market. So far, peptides are available through injectable version, through intravenously. This is gonna be available to you in a form of capsule, so you can actually ingest it instead of using the injectable synthetic version of it. This is all bioactive, plant-based, so it's AI generated, you guys, and there were human studies for 10 years and no adverse effects were found, and they have bunch of scientists and doctors behind the studies, and like I said, 10 years in a clinical trials, no human adverse effect found. So these 6 products are launching in October, and right now, because they are in a pre-launch, so all you have to do is just check it out, completely free. These increase muscle mass, help with weight loss, increase collagen production, help with hair growth, heals all kinds of wounds and skin. These are bioactive, plant-based. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity because they also have amazing affiliate, very easy to follow a system which you can be part of. So imagine if you at the beginning, at the startup, something amazing. This is gonna disrupt the health and wellness industry. You guys, I've been in health and wellness for not even 5 years now, and I'm telling you, this is something you want to put your hands on. It's going to be very affordable also.